Hey there, future innovators! The digital world is waiting for you to explore it. Are you ready to unlock the magic of AI and coding? Get set to launch your adventure with Codingal. In a world where AI is everywhere from chatbots to self-driving cars, learning to code isn't just a skill, it's a superpower. Coding helps kids understand how AI works, create smart apps, and develop the problem-solving skills needed for the future. That's why coding is essential for every child in the age of AI. In our course for grade 1 to 3, you'll dive into animate stories, build fun games, design simple apps, and explore magical AI concepts that make computers think smarter. Welcome to Codingal, a place where kids fall in love with AI and coding and turn their bright ideas into reality. Join us on a transformative journey where every milestone unlocks new coding superpowers. Welcome to the AI and Coding Champion level, your first adventure into coding and creativity. Begin with animation in Sprite Lab. Discover coding basics, make moving sprites, and meet AI genies in projects like Let's Bake a Cake and Real-Life Simulation. Continue to interactive games, master coordinates and loops with playful builds such as Place It and Dance Party, where AI creates emoji-powered backgrounds. Then move to PlayLab and Minecraft to build logic and single-player games like Squirrel Run, Catch the Magical Bird, Ice Age, and Tennis Game, and solve Minecraft puzzles in Voyage Aquatic and Minecraft Adventure. Finally, use AppLab to create real apps, from utility and GUI apps like Calculator, Portfolio app, Health Guide, and Storybook app, to database apps like Virtual Zoo and Meow Marvels. Complete these 8 interactive modules to earn your AI and Coding Champion Certificate, the first step toward becoming a young coding star. Next, step up to the AI and Coding Prodigy stage, where your games and apps get smarter. Build logic and reasoning with cryptography, binary, and interactive forms. Projects include Sign ABC and MySlamBook, using events, conditionals, and simple UI. Level up from basics to advanced game mechanics, functions, loops, counters, parameters, movement, velocity, and collisions. Create Diamond Search, Iron Man, Space Shooter, and Trash Sorter. Start with animation and move into full game design. Make musical games, bouncing animations, and reactive sprites. DJ Cat, Mario Dash, Hungry Casey, Snake Game, plus 7 Wonders and Solar System. Learn AI fundamentals and build projects with text, sound, and image recognition. Happy Sad Dog and Owl Chatbot. Complete all 16 modules to earn the AI and Coding Prodigy Certificate. Finally, welcome to the AI and Coding Grandmaster level, the ultimate challenge where young innovators build smart apps, websites, and Python projects. Train models with sound and image recognition, and build intelligent Scratch projects. Sorting Hat, tourist information. Learn UI, UX, and make Welcome App and Health App. Then build mobile apps with Canvas, sensors, and gyroscope like Calculator and Space Warriors. Integrate cloud storage and location in MoleMash and My App. Start with block-style Python for shapes and patterns. My Scenery View, RoboMaster. Then move to fundamentals, lists, and turtle graphics in Work with Lists and Fun with Turtle. Build your first websites, HTML projects, tables and YouTube playlist, CSS projects, My Story and My First Website. Complete 24 exciting modules to earn your AI and Coding Grandmaster Certificate, proof that you've mastered the building blocks of AI and coding. At Codingal, every lesson is more than just coding. It's an adventure in learning. Each project boosts your critical thinking, sharpens your problem-solving skills, and turns challenges into victories. Learning here feels like play, and every small win builds unstoppable confidence. Parents, imagine a learning space where your child enjoys personalized classes, gains lifetime access to class videos and resources, and takes part in engaging quizzes, gamified lessons, and regular doubt-clearing sessions. That's the Codingal difference, a holistic approach that nurtures creativity, sparks curiosity, and prepares young minds for a digital future. And don't just take our word for it. Listen to the inspiring stories from families who have seen Codingal transform their child's learning journey. So, are you ready to take the first step toward unlocking your child's coding superpowers? Book a free trial today and let your child experience the magic of Codingal firsthand. Ignite passion, creativity, and endless possibilities with every lesson. Your AI and coding adventure starts now.